Creating a report with ChatGPT is pretty straightforward, but to make it stand out, you'll need to put in some extra effort. Let's say you're working on a report about the keto diet. Start by giving ChatGPT a clear prompt, like please create a report on the keto diet, or I need an overview for the keto diet. Once you get the response from ChatGPT, carefully review them. Look for the most relevant information that fits your report's goals. If you need more details on a particular point, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT to expand on it. Next, it's important to organize the information you've gathered. Create a well-structured outline with headings and subheadings to ensure a logical flow of ideas. Group related information within each section for clarity. Once you're satisfied with the research, start your report with an engaging introduction. ChatGPT really comes into its own here. To help ChatGPT to write the report properly, get ChatGPT to provide some background information, context, and purpose for the report. Get the AI to give a brief overview of the main points it'll be writing. In the main body of your report, get it to dig deeper so it covers all the key points you want to highlight. Get it to write concise paragraphs or sections that effectively explain each point. Get ChatGPT to back up its findings with evidence or examples if necessary. In the conclusion, have it summarize the main findings and insights from the report. Have it highlight the key takeaways and their significance in the context of the chosen topic. Lastly, read over it to make sure your report is easy to read for your target audience. Use proper formatting techniques like clear headings, bullet points, and numbered lists. Consider adding visual aids such as charts or graphs if they help to enhance your audience's comprehension. Your goal is to get ChatGPT to create a report that not only informs but also engages your readers. Turning your report or ebook into a video course that can be sold on affiliate platforms is like stepping into a world of opportunities. So let's take a look through some of these platforms. Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, is your ticket to turning your report into a full-fledged book and reaching a massive audience. We're talking about Amazon, the global e-commerce behemoth with millions of customers. Publishing on KDP means you're reaching millions of potential readers worldwide. The cool part is it's really easy to do. You just upload your book, set up a few highly searched for keywords, choose a price, and you're essentially on your way. You can even go digital or old school with print-on-demand paperbacks. Oh yeah, did I also mention it's free to publish? No more worrying about those old school upfront costs. You also get some pretty decent royalties too. Royalties start at 60% minus publishing costs. But if you decide to go the ebook route, KDP makes sure your ebook can be read on Kindle devices and their reading apps. As mentioned before, they even do print-on-demand paperbacks, so no need to fret about stocking inventory. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, you can toss your ebook into Kindle Unlimited and Kindle Owner's Lenders Library. That way, Amazon Prime members can get a taste and your book's visibility skyrockets. And if that's not enough, they've got marketing tools like Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions to help you grab the spotlight and reel in new readers. ClickBank. Now here's where you can strut your stuff in the world of video course creation. ClickBank is all about marketing to your customers and affiliates. ClickBank has an army of affiliate marketers ready to make money and boost your product's popularity. You can get more affiliates selling your products when you offer a fairly high commission rate. It's best to offer around the 70 to 75% commission mark. You don't have to worry about things like payment processing either. ClickBank handles the nitty-gritty like credit card payments and refunds. They even deal with customer support while taking care of business. They've got all sorts of marketing tools in their bag, from upsells and downsells to email marketing and affiliate tracking. You can even keep an eye on how your campaign is doing with their analytics. Now, I won't lie, you'll need some killer sales copy and affiliate tools to make it big there. And guess what? ChatGPT can help with that too. 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗶. This platform's got its own set of affiliates, so they make it easy for people to find and promote your product. They're big into the make money online and internet marketing niche. But don't worry if your product is in a different niche. Consider offering resale rights. This then turns it into a make money online opportunity. Your own website. Don't forget the option of selling your report, ebook or course directly from your website. This gives you total control, and you can make it your brand's happy place. Plus, you get to keep 100% of the money, since third-party platforms like to dip their finger in the pie. You're not limited to just selling reports, ebooks, and courses here. You can make some extra money by offering bonuses, companion guides, or even checklists. Sure, putting it on your own website does come with other responsibilities, like setting up a secure payment system and handling customer support. But it's like being the captain of your own ship. You steer the course and nobody can block you or ban you from the platform. By choosing the right platform, you'll be turning your report, ebook or video course that ChatGPT helped you create into a place where you can be an expert in your field, or while filling up your bank account. Alright, now let's dive into something super exciting that'll make your content shine and bring in some extra dough. Audiobooks. Picture this. You poured your heart and soul into getting ChatGPT to help you create some awesome reports, ebooks, and video scripts for your video course that your audience adores. Now it's time to give them a fresh twist and turn them into an ear-pleasing audiobook. Let's take a look. Number 1, audiobook conversion. Turning your written gems into audiobooks is a breeze. You've got a couple of options. You can hire a talented voice artist from Fiverr to do the talking, or you can get your hands on some software and give it a go yourself, or you can use text-to-speech software and have it create it for you. Just a word of warning. If you use text-to-speech, the narrator needs to not sound robotic. You need an excellent text-to-speech software like Play.ht. Number 2, unleash Audible. Audible is one of the big dogs in the audiobook world. This is where you want to be. It's like the stage, where your audiobook gets the straight stuff, and you get to rake in the royalties with each sale. You've probably heard of those stories about folks making bank selling audiobooks on Audible. Well, let me let you in on a little secret. A lot of them farm out the audiobook making jobs to the pros. Audible is pretty fair when it comes to royalties. Authors and publishers like to get a sweet slice of the pie. The rates can vary depending on stuff like who's got distribution rights, any exclusive deals, and the price you set. But here's the deal. Audible doesn't mess around with quality. They want your audiobook to sound top-notch. So they've got some strict quality control rules going on. Don't sweat it though, because they'll help you find the right narrator and audio producer. But wait, there's more to the audiobook party than Audible. Check out these other audiobook sites. Number 1, Apple Books, formerly iTunes. Get your audiobook to all the Apple fans out there. All the iPhones, iPad and Mac users will love it. Number 2, Google Play Books. Spread the audiobook love on both Android and iOS devices, reaching a global crowd. Number 3, Kobo. Hit up Kobo, a cool e-reader and audiobook site with a bunch of users. Number 4, Libro FM. Be a hero and support local bookstores by selling your audiobooks here. Number 5, audiobook.com. Join the club at audiobook.com, a subscription-based platform with a big audiobook-loving audience. Number 6, Overdrive. Team up with Overdrive, the go-to place for library lending and distribution to get your audiobooks into libraries. Number 7, Downpour. Connect with dedicated audiobook fans on Downpour, where there's a treasure trove of audiobooks waiting. Thinking about going all out and spreading your audiobooks across multiple platforms? That's a smart move. Each place has its own cool features and user base, giving you a shot at audiobook fame. As a content-loving entrepreneur, this audiobook adventure lets your words come to life and captivate folks on all sorts of devices. So jump in and let your voice be heard loud and clear. There you have it. We've explored some fantastic ways to create, enhance, and monetize your content using ChatGPT. Now it's your turn to take the reins and make your content dreams a reality. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look to the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.